In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make 200,000 in 2 weeks without any capital. The good thing with this method is that you don't need any capital, you don't need a skill, you don't even need any location. Or you can rent a location, then you do this. No, you don't need anything. You can just start from zero and you make 200,000 in only 2 weeks. Just like we asked the question on Facebook that what is stopping you to start a business? Everyone is saying that capital. So I'm so excited to release this video because it is going to tell you how you can make money without capital. You don't have an excuse for this. You don't have an excuse. So I don't know what you're going to excuse yourself about this, but if you really need to make money, this is the video that you need to start off to get that capital, to create that idea, to go into what you want. You know, sometimes you start with what you don't want or what you didn't think about just to get that capital, to get that stepping stone. So this video is not to make you rich. This video is not to give you a lot of money, but this video is just to give you a stepping stone where you can start from to build what is in your mind, where you can start from to build your business. So 200,000 in 2 weeks, that's not all that bad. So where are you going to make this money? I don't want to waste your time. Let's jump straight onto what we have come to do today. So you are going to make that money from a new mobile money company that is called Wave. Now Wave is the new mobile money company that deals in sending and receiving of money. It doesn't make calls, it doesn't do with data, it only deals with mobile money. So how are you going to make money with this company? There are two ways you can make money with this company. The first one is by becoming an agent for this company. Everyone knows that if you are to become an agent, it will need some investment, you need some money in order to become an agent of any company. But the second method is that you can become a distributor or a promoter of this company. So when you become a distributor or a promoter of this company, it means you can make money without any investment. You don't need any capital, you don't need any location, you don't need anything. You just need your time. Give it your time and you will make money out of it. Actually, the 200,000 that I'm talking about is the least you can make in 2 weeks. Otherwise, you can even shoot to 400, 500, even 600 in 2 weeks. Yes, you can do it. Just because the good thing with this, even when you join themselves, the company is going to give you trainers to train you how you can make more money with it, how you can even succeed, how you can do it. You can succeed in this and you get a lot of money. So let us jump into exactly what you are going to do with the company. Yes. Now, why is the company paying you a lot of money to do this? Now, this company is giving good services, right? It is giving withdraw free. Do you know what it means to withdraw money from your mobile money account free of charge? Do you know what it means to deposit and you withdraw free of charge? And do you know what it means to send money only on 1%? You send money on only 1%. Like we are sending 10,000 and they only cut you 100 shillings. That is the charge for sending money. And then someone who is going to receive that 10,000, that person is going to withdraw all the 10,000 without any tax, without any additional withdrawal charge. Do you know what it means? I'm sure you're wondering, how can this company do that? Oh, then why is everyone not joining? They're joining the company if it is like that. Oh, are they going to, is it really true? You can be asking yourself that. And this is how you can make money. This is where you are going to make money. Because people are not taking the company serious. I don't want you to be like that. Take the company to be serious. Don't wait for everything to be okay. It is not okay. The company is still struggling. People are not believing that these things are true, that you can withdraw money free of charge. People are not believing in it. And that's where you are going to make money if you want. That's where you are going to make money. So what are you going to do exactly? Now you see, these people are not believing. That's why the company is pouring a lot of money in people like me, people like you, people like any other person, to go and tell people that this company is legit. You see this company? The only thing you are going to do to make money, to make the 200,000 in 2 weeks, to make the 400,000 in 2 weeks, 500, the only thing you are going to do is to tell people that you see this company allows you to send money in only 1%. This company allows you to deposit money on your account and you withdraw money on your account without any charge. That's all you are going to do. and then you activate for these people accounts. They give you a promo code, you activate for them accounts. Now, when you activate for customers' accounts, that's where you are making money. Because, like, for example, they put a minimum of around 10 to 20 customers in a day. If you can activate accounts of 10 customers, and they're going to give you like 20,000. That is the minimum amount they pay. But some people can get even 70, 60, 50,000 in a day. But when you activate a minimum of like 10 customers, you get like 20,000 in a day. You can calculate 20,000 times 10 days. That is 200,000. It means it can only take you 10 days to make the 200,000. You understand? So what you do, you just tell customers that this company allows you to deposit money and withdraw money free. They only charge you when you're sending money, and that is 1%. When you're sending 100,000, they're going to charge you 1,000 Ugandan shillings only. That is your job. And when you activate for them accounts, even the activation of accounts is free of charge. You activate for them accounts free of charge. And when a customer doesn't have a smartphone, like maybe you are using a smartphone right now, a customer doesn't have a smartphone, this is what you give the customer. These are scratch cards. So for you, if you are watching this video and you feel you have not yet known about this company, just go to Play Store, download the Wave app. It is called Wave. You go to Play Store, download it. It will be blue, and it will be having a picture that is on this mask. This. It will be having this. So look at the app that is having this picture, and you download that app. So when you download the app, activate the app. Activation of the app needs a mobile number that is working, a working mobile number, your phone number that you have been using, obviously. Then it will need your national ID. Then you will be able to activate it and see the services. But for you, if you become a distributor, what you'll be doing is that you help a customer to download that. You can even share the app with a customer. If you talk to someone and someone says, okay, I want to give it a try, then you'll be having a promo code. You'll be connected to the company. You'll be attached to the company. So you'll be using your promo code to activate for these customers' accounts. So when you activate 10 accounts, you are done. 20,000, 10 accounts. You can even do this in 20 minutes, 30 minutes in a day, and you relax. You only spend 30 minutes, and all the other 20 something hours of the day, you are just enjoying your day. You can do this as a stepping stone if you don't have any amount. I told you, if you want to, maybe you will comment in the comment section if you have some investment and you want to become an agent, and how you can become an agent. That one you can put in the comment section. I'll discuss about that. But today I want to give a stepping stone for those who don't have anywhere to start, so that they can start from where they are without anything. So how are you going to become a wave distributor exactly? Now, to become a wave distributor, you only need a smartphone, and you have a smartphone. You cannot watch me if you don't have a smartphone. You're watching this video because you have a smartphone. Then you'll need a national ID. Now, your national ID, you'll use that exact national ID and your smartphone. Do you know what they will share with you? They will share with you a distributor app. They will give you only an app that you'll be using to activate accounts for customers. So when you're activating accounts for customers, that's how you are making money. And the system just detects, they have a very sharp system. It detects that Jibril today has activated 10 accounts, Jibril has activated 20 accounts, and your money is going to get there. Why did I say that this is just a stepping stone, and this should not be your future job, the one you are thinking that it should be my job, and this should not be like something maybe you really want to put the whole of your life in, and you think you can do it for 2, 3, 4 years. No. Why am I saying that? It's because I told you the reason why the company is pouring all that money to you or to me. If I'm to do that, the company is pouring that money just because people are not believing and people are not using their services. It means when you activate someone's account today, tomorrow you are not going to come back to activate the same account. Already that person is activated and is using the account. So just imagine how many people are going to be activating others' accounts. And in your area, if there are no people activating accounts, you could be lucky to make millions of money in only a month. You can make millions of money in only a month. I'm telling you the truth. You can do this. You can make it. And but why I'm not saying that it's not something that's going to last for long It's because when now the company has a target of making customer base, when now the company accumulates that target and they have their customer base, the one they want, it means they will not need to pay more money for activation of accounts. And even if they are to pay for activation of accounts, whose account are you going to get activated when people are having their accounts already activated? So the right time is now, because people are still doubting the company and very many don't have accounts in the company. Very many. So the time is now. You can get attached to them and you make money with them, because very many are not yet having those accounts. So what are you going to do to join them? All this that I've been saying, I've not been paid to say that. I'm saying this just to help you who is watching. Some people may say, you know, these YouTubers, I'm not like any other YouTuber who is paid to say that. You see my channel here, there is no video I've ever made that is paid. And all of you who are on my WhatsApp group, who follow me on Facebook, who follow me everywhere, you will all know that mine is honesty. If I'm to sell for you something, I tell you this thing is this and this and this. We all say honesty. So it means I'm going to tell you what to do exactly. Now what you do, you are going to call their customer care. Go to Google and type in Wave Uganda. You'll be able to read everything about Wave and everything I've been saying. And then if you want to become their customer, if you want to become their distributor, you are just going to call this customer care number and you show your interest. So they will sort it out and then send you someone to come to your area, or they will give you a call. So the number is 0800303004. If you have not got the number, just go to their website and call a toll-free line. So they will try to tell you everything you need to know about Wave. My name has been Jibril. Tell me what you need to know about Wave. Ask any question. But more so, don't leave this video before subscribing to my channel. You would have helped me so much. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other video like this. And if you feel there is a question that you want to ask about this, please just leave it in the comment section. I'm always 24 hours on to answer your questions. I'm following and I'll be answering all those questions. My name has been Jibril. Subscribe to this channel. Till next time, thank you so much.